You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I don't know if it's a phase, I just wanna feel okay. Yeah.
What you running there now, man? Is it the same thing?
We have 8 12-inch V2 Golds in here now.
Those are the new ones.
Those are the new ones. I call them the version 1 Platinums on steroids. They are absolutely awesome. See, was there much difference from the last time you were in here?
That what she said when you walked there. It's like windy in there.
Yeah, it's amazing, man. They're doing really good. I got a new radio that I'm running out here, so I don't know if I got the volume just right. Or...
I was thinking it was running out for this.
Oh yeah, it's not running out there. It's got the radio out here now, so I don't have to take all the brutalness is sitting inside it so much. So
give it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it out and sit outside a little more. So hope you liked it and everything.
Man,
but
I did.
Still working on some things and got a bigger build coming this summer. So
you gonna redo it?
Well, this is gonna be gone. I'm getting a Tahoe.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna go big.
All the way.
Yeah, it's gonna go big this summer. So
where can I find you out on social media, man?
You can find us right on Facebook, 315 Custom Audio. We're also on LibertyBassShop.com. If you're looking for all our products, we're right there. You can order them through there or to message me on Facebook.
Okay, y'all be sure to check them out. Appreciate it, bro.
Man.
It was good seeing you, man.
Enjoy the show.
still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.